Good day guys, being here. Today we're going to try this one. So although it looks like it's a very simple family, but it's actually quite it's not that simple to model it in Revit, especially those corner. So this is the one I did. So basically I use the nest family, so create this and this as a separate family, nest it into this, and then we can just model the other three parts and create this one. So it's parametric, so we can change the depths of the seat. We can change the depth of the table. We can change the height. We can change the radius. So this is the radius of those corners. So you can see this. We can also change the. This is which ones are they? Three. Can't remember. This. That's good. Don't worry about that. Thickness, right? So if I make it very thick, 50, or maybe that's too much, maybe a 30, yeah, 10 or 5. Width is this. Okay, so 50. Yeah, something like that. So okay, so I'll show you how to create this family. Okay, so let's start. Maybe I'll save this one in case I forgot. I'll just save it as a today's date. Okay, so first we're going to model. So I'll just do a screenshot of this one. So we're going to model. So if I cut here and here, or cut here and here, so we're going to model this bit and this bit. They are basically the same. Okay, so let's do it. So first, start with this generic model template. So we're going to create a reference in the floor plan. So we're going to place a reference plan. So this will be the radius of this. So if I look directly from this direction, so it will be something like this, right? So we're going to, this will be the, so actually there's also thickness to it. So this is TH here, and then the radius here. Okay, so so we will need to have, so I'll add another reference plans, add a dimension here, add another dimension. So this will be the radius. Let's call it maybe R1, and then this will be the thickness. Let's call it TH. Okay, so for R1, maybe I'll just make it 100 for now, and for the thickness, I'll make it 20. Okay, now we're going to add a couple of reference plans. DI dimension equal another dimension. So this will be the depth. So if I go back here, so see, will be this. Okay, so if we look from the top, so the this family looks like something like this. Okay, so this will be the depth of the table, okay, DT, and then this will be the depth of the seat, DS. So this is DT, so let's call it DT. Okay, so for this panel, because you can see we only start from this this edge of this table to the edge of the seat. We don't need the other side, so we don't need have a reference plane there, so we just need one here. And di dimension, so this time let's call it ds, a depth for the seat. Okay, so now we have all these parameters, and then we need to go to, let's go to left view. So we need a height. So and also we're not going to model these, okay? So because they are too easy, we're only going to model this bit. So maybe we can just for this one, that's fine. We don't need to have the reference plane for the base. We just need to have a reference plane for the overall height. And also we also need a reference plane for the thickness. I'll just add another reference plane here. So di, and select both of them, put th. So this will be the height. Let's create a parameter, let's call it height. Okay, and I think, okay, so let's go back to front elevation, because we're going to create extrusion, okay, extrusion in the front elevation. So let's create extrusion. I'll just pick line and then pick, so you have this lock ticked, so and then place. For this it's okay to pick the level. In this one, let's trim tr, this, and we need another one here, so, and then trim. So then we need to add a radius, right? So let's add a star end arc. I'll just do it something like this, and maybe I'll just move it down, mv down to here. Remove constraint. Let's delete this one, trim. Okay, so and then we just dm mirror. Just make sure you have dm copy, and we have another one, trim, and delete this. So and we'll also need another one here, right? So for this one, let's add a radius, and then use that radius R1. Maybe I'll just change the scale so we can, yeah, that's better. And let's try TL. Yeah, okay, better. So also add another radius, link that R1. And then we need another one, so here, so let's call it R2. R2 equals R1 plus the thickness over here. So let's go to family types, add R2, R2, and okay. R2 equals R1 plus TH. And okay, so then let's create another center end arc from this here, trim tr, delete this, select this, dm, and use the midpoint, and trim tr, and delete this. So now let's have a look. If I type vv, go take this automatic sketch dimensions, so we need to get rid of all these. Okay, so for let's have a look for this one, this 0. So let's try this. Good. For this one, let's do it later. Let's lock this. Oh, good. Okay, so see here. So for this, we can select both arc and turn on the center ends. Sorry, center mark visible. Now we can just do add the dimension, select this, and use R1. Doesn't work. Maybe let's lock this one. Maybe I think maybe let's try. Actually, sometimes it's okay to just leave it. So let's have a test. If I finish this one, go to family types. If we change radius, right? So it's radius. Let's try 50. Yep, looks like it works. Thickness 10. Yeah, so I think it works. So yeah, don't worry too much about that. So okay, so now this is, yeah, okay, we need to go to left, select it. We need to make sure drag this onto this reference plane, or you can use AL align and click this and lock. So now we have this full panel, and then the next is we need to cut. So so it's very simple. We just need to create a void extrusion. Okay, so pick line, and then pick reference planes 1, 2. We need to cut this bit, and also we need to cut this bit. So let's do this side first. Okay, so hang on, the line is too thick, so I'll change the scale. That's better. This should go down here, and then so maybe draw a line from here to here. Okay, so trim TR, TR here to here, here to here, and trim these two. Oh, is that right? No, sorry. This go up here. This go this. Trim here, trim here. We don't need this for this bit. I think this is okay here. So now let's do the other side. Maybe let's just directly draw lines instead of trying to pick. For this side, we will need to go up here, go here, down here, finish. Okay, so that's easier. And then again, type VV, turn on automatic sketch dimensions. We need to get rid of all the zeros. AL, reference plane, lock. Reference plane, lock. Reference plane, this, lock. Reference plane, this, lock. Reference plane, this, lock. Reference plane, lock. And the last one, so let's just pick this line straight away. So yep, all good. So now let's go to front view, finish this extrusion. Just use AL reference plane. No. Maybe just drag this back onto this reference plane. Yep, all good. So now let's have a look in 3D view. TL. So this is the panel. So let's have a test. So if we change the depths of the seat 450, yeah, this is a seat, right? Oh, sorry, table, right? Depths, yeah, works. H works. Radius, yeah, and thickness. Let's make it 20. Okay, so yeah, it works. So now we can load this one into another family. So okay, so we need to create a new family. Same, we're going to use Sri-Lanka model, and this time we're going to add all the reference plans we need for this family. So again, so in floor plan, so so just a little tip for you. So you can add dimensions in multiple, and the dimensions and parameters in multiple views. So like, for example, you can add into the floor plan, you can add into elevations, multiple elevations, but try to, if you can, try to focus in a certain view. So like, for example, in a floor plan, we're trying to put all the, dimensions you can add, like all the width and depths, into this floor plan, and only go to one of the elevations and add the rest of the parameters there. So this way it's easier for you to control, right? So otherwise, yeah, so you need to go through each views to find where the parameters is. Okay, so let's okay, so this will be the width. Okay, so width of this family W. Reference plan, I'll just copy some more, and this the equal, this will be the depth of the table, this will be the depth of the set. Select these two, depths of set, and this one is the depth of the table. Okay, so, and also do we need a thickness? Weight. Let's go to let's use the front elevation, or maybe should we use left? Yeah, let's maybe use left for the height parameter. Okay, so because we are not going to model the base, so let's just place a reference plan. Maybe I'll just put 450 to it. Maybe just even add a dimension to it, lock it. Okay, and then copy this one up, and then this will be the timber part. So I'm going to add a parameter to it. Just call it H. Okay, so I think that's all good for now. So now we can go back to this panel, load this one in here. So just place it somewhere, and then before we try to align and lock, go to edit type. We need to link all these parameters. For the depth of the set, let's link ds. Okay, for the depth of the table, dt. For the height, let's just use height. For the radius one, so currently we don't have radius one for this in this family. So let's create one. So let's call it radius one. And th, so the same, we don't have th, just let's create th. Okay, so now we can use al. So first this direction, so let's pick this reference plane first, and then try to pick this. So see here, so this is the middle of the table, right? The reference plane, the center reference plane in this nested family. So pick this and lock, and then AL again. So use this reference plane, and then there will be a reference plane here, and then lock. So is that right? DS. Let's have a look in 3D view. Can't really see. How about left? Looks like something's not right. So you can see it's not, the depth of the set is not matching here. So let's have a look. Floor plan. So DS? So this family. Go to DS. What's DS? Oh, that's interesting. What's going on here? So let's go to front. Go to left. DS. Let's have a look. Edit family. Go to front. Go to left. Okay. So all our DS. Oh, see, we used the wrong reference plane. So because when we try to align, remember I picked this reference plane, so it's supposed to be here, this one. Sorry about that. So that's all good. So go back to this family. So we need to still not quite right, because this is not matching this, this is not matching this. What's going on? DT, DT, DS, DS. Go to floor plan. Let's unlock this one, AL, this reference plan. So maybe should be this. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, that's right. So see, now it's matching. So go to the left. Great. Oh, is that right? I think this should be. Sorry, I'm a bit confused. I think this should be the type. We need to go back to the family again. Sorry about that. Go to left. So, yes. So this is a problem when I, when I create all the void. So see, this should be the table. This is the center reference plane. I saw this one's center and this is state. So that's why I cut this bit and this bit. So we're supposed to cut this bit and this bit. So really sorry about that. That's fine. Let's quickly fix this one. Okay, so edit extrusion. So maybe I'll just get rid of everything. It's easier to draw it again. So so we need to draw this and go here, 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 here. Oh, we don't need that. Sorry, delete. And then another one. So we here come down to here, go up, finish it. So now we just trim. Oh, sorry, AL align, lock this lock. Turn on the thing line. Yeah, that's better. 1, 2, and then this point, lock this point, lock this reference line. For this, we just lock this, and also this end, just lock. Okay, so one more. So that's all. Okay, so let's go finish. Let's have a look in. We don't need to check, just load this back into here, overwrite. That's it. Now we need to move this up, right? So we can probably just type in a number or try to use align and use this reference plane to lock this. But we can also go back into just check this work plane based, load this back, overwrite, select it, edit work plane, and we can just use this reference plane. So pick a plane, okay, and then pick this, okay, and yeah, I think this is it. Okay, so now go to floor plan. So we have this one, right? So let's mirror make sure it's copy, and then let's space no, sorry, Control Z. Let's mirror it again, this time, just no copy. Pick this center, so it will go here, and then just AL align here, lock, and center reference plane, and also center reference plane in that family. So now let's have a look in 3D view. So yeah, so this is it, and then we need to add some so very simple extrusion. So one is the top and 2 seat. So for the top, let's go to from maybe left. So we're going to set work plane first. Okay, so set work plane, pick plane, okay, pick this, and we'll go to a floor plan. And now we're going to hang on, because currently we don't have a reference plane here and here, so let's maybe add one for now. So delete reference plan. So we're going to add a dimension to here. So this dimension equals the radius, which is R1, plus the thickness of the panel. So maybe let's call it R2. Do we have R2 already? Or oh yes, we have R2 in that family, but actually that R2 equals exactly the same as this one. So yeah, let's just call it R2, okay, and then this one's R2 as well. Go to family types, R2 equals R1 plus thickness, and okay. So now we have this reference plane. We can create extrusion by just simply pick line with this locked 1, 2, 3, and 4. Trim TR, and now finish. Let's go to maybe left view. So this is like extrusion we just did. So instead of, one option is you can just, type in a number here or link a parameter, but I do not recommend this because sometimes it will, create a lot of issue. So I recommend just use reference plans. So let's add a dimension for this one. It will be th. Okay, now we have this reference plane. We can use AL and lock this one. That's all good. Okay. Oh, is that right? Let's have a look in 3D view. I picked the wrong one, sorry. Go to floor plan, edit extrusion, select this, unlock, drag it onto this reference plane and lock. Now finish 3D view. Okay, and then for the base, for the seat, it's pretty much the same. So we can set work plan first. So create extrusion, set work plan. Okay, a pick plan. Let's pick this reference plan. Go to floor plan, create extrusion. Let's use maybe just pick reference plans 1, 2, 3, 4. Trim. And also if you wanted to add a little, corner, curved corner, so you can do this. Let's use fillet arc. And let's lock tangent, add radius, maybe let's call it R3. Let's create a parameter for this one, R3. Maybe need to reduce a little bit, 50. Oops. Okay, I think sometimes this happens. So if you directly change it here, it will create. It works. Interesting. See? But yeah, I don't know what's going on here. 40 doesn't work. But if you select the dimension and type 40, it works. Anyway, so this is I don't know why this is happening. So remember, so if you select the arc, change this one, it will break the family. But if you directly select the dimension and change it, it works. Okay, so we have this. I think that's okay. Finish. Let's go to left. For this one, just need to. Okay, so we don't have a thickness yet. So let's add a dimension. th, al, and lock. So that's the seat on this side. Okay, and then go to floor plan again. So let's do another one. So I'm going to just mirror this. Oh, sorry, Control Z. Mirror tick, copy, pick, and then maybe again. Untick the copy. So the corner go this side, and edit extrusion, because we copy down, it lose all the constraints. So if I type VV, go here, so you will see it's all zeros. So we need to AL align and use all these reference plan to lock them. Okay, so and this one, and yeah, we still have the radius from there. So all good. Finish. And then same, we need to go to any of the elevation, just make sure so currently it's not locked onto the one of the reference plan. I'm not sure which one actually. Yeah, I think it's the top one. So we're going to select this one, drag this up. Okay, AL, select and lock. So let's try again. Yeah, okay, it works. So now let's have a look in 3D view. I think this is almost there. So it's maybe I'll change the shade. So let's have a test. So this is the depth of the seat, maybe 550. Yeah, good. Depth of the table, maybe 900. Yeah. The width, good. Height, good. Radius 1. So it's this corner. So 150. So you can see you can even increase this and to almost like make this one half circle, I believe. Yeah. So but probably hang on, let me think. So this is 450. Probably you can't reach I don't know, like 220 or something. If I do 220, what will happen? Yeah, go break it. So yeah, just be careful. So make sure you don't, you know, make this radius too big. Radius for this little corner. So yeah, we can give it. Yeah, so that's all good. Thickness, I think yeah, it works. 10 mil, for example. Yeah, that's all the parameters. So okay, one last thing. I noticed that when we have, so we have this like line here, so this edge here, and here, so they're not exactly the same as this one, because we have a very, you know, smooth transition, right? So we can somehow, you know, try to get rid of all that line. So what we need to do is we need to go back into here, go to left view. So we just need to adjust this. So instead of, you know, have this one, we still need a vertical one, because we need this vertical bit is where we where the let me go. So see here, so we need this vertical surface, this bit, so we can have, you know, along with this face, right? And then we just need to a little arc curve there. So let's go back to the left. So edit. So let's try to add some arc here. So I'll try this one. I'll start end arc. So maybe something like this. Okay. And then add a radius. So this time we have R1, R2, R3. Let's call it R4. R4. And I'll just move this one to here. Maybe get rid of this one. Maybe change the scale so we can see the lines. Okay, so drag this a little bit. Okay, so next I think we need to let me think. We need to add a center mark and then lock this onto this reference plane. Oh, good. And add a line just from here and trying to, you know, find, so see this tangent, that. Okay, select this line and lock tangent, and let's see a lock tangent as well. Okay, so now we just need to add another radius here, but opposite direction. So start end arc, it will be something like this, like this. Okay, so same, add a radius and use the R4. Oh, what's going on here? I'm not sure. Let's try again. So I'll drag this away from this line. So might be, yeah, that's the issue. Okay, so and also I'll just turn on the center mark, and I'm going to move this one MV and to here. Okay, and use AL to lock this onto the reference plane, and this let's just lock tangent. There's no option. Yeah, I'm not sure. Let's try or see if I can just lock. Yeah, okay, so and then let's try to drag this point down to this arc and see if we can find the tangent point. Looks like we have some issue here, so that's fine. Maybe I'll try to drag this away. It won't let me. This is annoying. Okay, so drag this a little bit. Okay, let's try drag this. Oh, looks like we have some issues. It won't let me do this. How about this? Okay, remove constraint. No. Looks like we have some issue. How can we do it? Maybe. Sorry about that. I think this is a little bit tricky. So maybe hang on, let me try to directly add a line from here to here, tangent, right? So TR, trim, and lock tangent. I'll see if I can just fix this. Doesn't work. Oh. Okay, maybe just drag this back a little bit. Drag this tangent unconstrained, not tangent, and lock this one. Okay, cool, great. Still a little bit align. No, here. This here is not tangent. Let's try to find that point again. Maybe drag this down a little bit. Try to find that. What's tangent? ST maybe. Okay, TR and lock. Okay, hopefully. This point, yeah, all good. There's no more sketch dimension. I think that maybe this is it. Okay, so let's have a look. Finish. Go to 3D. It's half an hour already. Yeah. So now you can see there's no longer a line. So have a test. Okay. So radius, right? So radius 100. Great, 50. And R4 50. Yes, perfect. So now it's all just smooth. Change this one to 20. Okay, so let's do the other side. Go to left again. So select this void, edit extrusion. So it need to be something like okay. So how about we try to copy this one? Okay, I'll copy this one to here, and try to copy this one to here. So let's just copy the same thing, 1 and 2. Also the dimension as well. Just copy them to here, and then I'll just maybe I'll just drag this one. Maybe just extend this arc a little bit. So same to here, and then select this line, drag this onto tangent, trim TR, select tangent, lock tangent, and same here. Select this, drag this. Looks like we have some issue, but don't worry. Remove constraint for now. Trim, lock tangent, and we might need to, yeah, so still locked, so that's good. So but this arc is slightly away from this, so let's try to lock this. Oh, sorry, again, doesn't work. So maybe we need to move it down, remove constraint, drag it to here. Sorry, no, Control Z. Let me think, what should we do? Maybe we should just delete that line for now and just make sure this one's go to this. Still not, sorry, not right. TL, so change the scale. I'll move this down. Is that right? Okay, yeah, trim. I think still not quite right. Yeah, this is a little bit, it's hard. It's harder than I thought, but yeah, it did work. Just need some, you know, patient. So let's try again. So I'll just drag this one, align, lock. Okay, good. And let's draw a line from this to this. No. Extend a little bit and try to find the tangent point, ST or something. No. Again, it's hard to see. Let's just TL. Yep, that's it. TR. Okay. So maybe maybe do this one, but leave this one unlocked. So see if we can fix this bit. Here, trim. Okay, so now this one's fine. This one's still okay, so now let's lock. Looks like we need to do this. Locked. Is this right? Okay, so that's only sketch dimension here. I'm not sure why, but let's finish and have a look. Okay, so go to 3D view. All good. See, that's still a little bit issue here, but let's try to fix this one. Okay, so maybe I'll just delete it and do another one. So it'll be star ends arc and turn on the center mark, add the radius, use that R4 and I'll move this to here. Okay, and then along AL reference plane center mark, and then try to drag this down to here, and I'll move it. Hang on, before I do that, I'll unlock this tangent and then I'll move this away and move it back. That's it. TR and lock and lock. Great. That's how. Okay, now I know. That's how it can be done. So just I'll explain this. You have an arc. have another arc. So we try to create a line that tangent with both. So this is how you do it. First, you draw a line, find this, trim, and do not lock it, and then drag this line. No, not really. See it? No. So in this scenario, it looks like we need to lock it, but yeah, it's just weird. So you can see you lock it, but yeah, it's moving this point. But in our case, we need to unlock and then, connect this side. But yeah. So this is how it works, but yeah, so I think that's it. So let's finish. So we spend a lot of time to try to remove those lines, but I think the result is quite okay. So now we can load this one into here. Let's have a look in 3D view. And this is it. And also because we modeled this 1, 2, 3 as just extrusion, and these are nested family, we won't be able to join them. But even if we actually did try to model these 1, 2, 3 as nested family as well, and even although I can join geometry, but I just couldn't get rid of the line between them. So have a try. If you find a way to get rid of the line between, please let me know. Okay. So otherwise, it's quite good. So you can see if I turn off the show edge, it's smooth, right? Yep, I think this is it. So let's have a final test. Oh, sorry. 450 depths of the seat. Here. 900 depths of the table here. And 450 the height of the table. Radius 1 is this radius, so we can increase or reduce. Oh, that's too small. Oh, sorry, I'm wrong one. 30. Still too small. 50. Right. So R3 is this corner. I think that's all good. TH thickness, so you can make it very thin or very thick. Let's make it 20. And the width. Okay, so this is it. I will upload this family so you can have a play. If you have any questions, please let me know. Yep, feel free to post any questions, and also feel free to help if you know how to model anything. So that's all. Thanks. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.